lunch, buttered seafoods tayo mga beshi wops. And kay Opa ay nilasing na hipo. Ay, hipon. Tahong pala. In the Dutch way. Oh, so tara, let's eat mga besh. Hello everyone, for today's ulam, we have seafood. Crab, shrimp, and mussel. And this is for Opa. And oyster. So, let's eat! Mukbang tayo. Konti lang ang rice. Naka? Is eating fresh oyster. Yung sauce ginawa ko lang. I'm talking to the telephone. That is not overcooked now, ah? It's not overcooked. It's the best.
Excellent. Can I put it in here?
So, ayun mga beshwap, may trivia ako dito. Paano mo malalaman kung ang tahong ay babae o lalaki? So, ayan, kung nakikita nyo, pag puti yung laman, yan ay lalaki. At pagka orange naman, yan ay babae. So, kailangan ko i-voice over kasi may sinabi si Opang hindi maganda. And, ayun. Hindi maganda pakinggan kasi yung sinabi niya, kaya binoise over ko na lang. So, ngayon, alam nyo na kung ano yung tahong babae o lalaki.